Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Ford Edge from year 2011 to year 2015. If you need to remove or replace key fob battery and the key looks like that, stay with us. We'll explain how to do it step by step so you don't damage your key. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos absolutely free. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. If you need to buy new key fob, battery, tools, parts, you want to save quite a bit of money, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So this is the key guys, that's what it looks like. So let's explain now how you can easily replace the battery. Right here you have one thing, okay, that's where your key usually will be installed. Give me just a second, I removed it, okay, so I can show you, and I actually forgot it. So the key is located usually right here, and if you pull back to the left, okay, and pull the key back, it will come out. You can see, you need to get it out guys. Then you can get a plastic prying removal tool or a small screwdriver, be careful, okay, and kind of like you need to pry a little bit, then come on the side, okay, pry a little bit, grab it, pull it out. These guys, okay, right here now, you can see this is where the battery is located. Now, that battery guys, how do you remove it? You just gently, okay, pull it out. I might need to go get a screwdriver for that one. Okay, let me grab the screwdriver. Is the key going to fit? No, I need a small screwdriver for that specific repair. And once we pull it with the screwdriver, we'll be able to replace it with a new one. So check it out now. Okay, it's really spring loaded. Now, it's very important to make sure that you didn't bend that part right here. We're going to get the new battery. Come in an angle, okay. Come in an angle from this way up. Now the remote right here, you have to make sure that it went in this, okay, in these places here, so the circuit board is not moving. Wipe everything to make sure you don't have dust and dirt stuck under the seal, so it can seal correctly. Start closing it, okay, install your key, and practically you're ready to go. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.